If you're considering selling your home in this community, you'll be thankful you found this short video. I promise not to take a lot of your time, but I believe you shouldn't settle for anything but the absolute best, which is why I'm so excited to introduce you to Janet Berry. Janet Berry and her team are experts at selling real estate in this community, and they utilize Janet's guaranteed no-risk Smart Seller program. You can put their years of knowledge and experience to work for you today. You don't pay any upfront costs, and you're never locked into a long-term contract. But the real magic is in the high-definition marketing of your property, which is syndicated around the globe for maximum exposure. Janet Berry and her team incorporate state-of-the-art cinematic HD property tours and photography to present your property like never seen before. I'm sure you'll agree that Janet Berry and her team do things quite a bit differently. If we can help you or the people you care about in any way, we are only a call or click away from serving you. Simply click below to learn more about how Janet Berry and her team can assist you. Of course, you can always text or call Janet at 239-450-1892 for immediate service. I guarantee you will be glad you did. As an added bonus, if you mention this video, I can get you into Janet's Smart Seller program without waiting. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video, and we hope to see you again soon.